Waiting for your tax refund can feel like waiting for your favorite show to drop a new season. The big question is, when will you get your money? And what happens if you owe taxes instead? Let's break it all down in simple terms so you know exactly what to expect. Assalamu alaikum, I am Author Syed and welcome to the channel where we simplify finance, business and personal growth. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. When will I get my tax refund? If you file electronically and chose direct deposit, you will typically get your refund within 21 days. If you file a paper return, it takes up to 6 weeks. If the IRS needs to review your return, it could take even longer. How do I track my tax refund status? The best way to check your refund status is by using IRS Where is my refund tool. Here is how it works. Go to irs.gov, click on Where is my refund, enter your social security number, filing status, and exact refund amount. It updates once a day, so no need to check multiple times. Why is my tax refund delayed? If your refund is taking longer than expected, it could be because you claimed the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. These refunds don't go out before mid-February. The IRS flagged errors in your return like missing info or mismatched numbers. Your return was selected for a manual review, which just means an IRS employee is double-checking it. Can I get my refund via direct deposit? Yes. Direct deposit is the fastest way to get your tax refund. It is also more secure than getting a paper check. You can even split your refund into multiple bank accounts if you want to save a portion. What should I do if my refund amount is incorrect? If your refund is lower than expected, don't panic. Here is what might happen. The IRS adjusted your return because of math errors. You owed money to the government, like back taxes or student loan, and they took it from your refund. A credit you claim was reduced or denied. What happens if I owe taxes and can't pay them? Owing taxes can feel stressful, but here is the good news. You have options. Pay what you can now. The IRS charges penalties and interest, so it's best to pay at least part of what you owe. Set up a payment plan. The IRS lets you pay over time through an installment agreement. Request a hardship delay. If you truly can't pay, you may qualify for currently not collectible status. Can I set up a payment plan with the IRS? Yes, the IRS offers different payment plans. Short-term plan under 180 days, no setup fee or interest apply. Long-term installment plan, monthly payments over time with setup fees. How to apply? Go to irs.gov, click on payment plans, choose your plan and apply online. Here is what you can do next. Check your refund status online. If you owe money, apply for payment plan ASAP. Always double check your return before filing to avoid mistakes. Are you expecting a refund this year or do you owe taxes? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.